Welcome to Thinkadium, where curiosity wins.
OpenAI workplace tools to surging open-source releases and urgent safety concerns, we're tracking the 5 most impactful AI updates of the week. Major organizations are currently moving beyond simple chatbot experimentation and integrating AI directly into their core operational infrastructure. This radar chart shows market activity spiking across 5 distinct areas. Capital allocation requires balancing deployment speed against vendor lock-in and security risks. Navigating these simultaneous shifts is impossible as abstract concepts. You must apply them to a specific business context. We are going to evaluate this week's updates as resource allocation signals for 3 specific groups: enterprise leaders, developers, and small business owners. The first major trend impacts those operating at the highest level of scale, focusing on the physical requirements of modern computing. Understanding this physical infrastructure is necessary to build a business strategy that reflects how AI tools actually operate and scale in the real world. The current AI race relies on massive physical scale, with companies investing heavily in specialized chips, data centers, and high-performance cloud platforms. For enterprise IT leaders, this path involves allocating significant capital to proprietary AI cloud platforms to sustain daily operations. The expected outcome of that investment is the ability to deploy customized AI models at a massive, everyday business scale. This approach creates a high financial barrier to entry that locks up liquid capital for years. Rapid software advancements frequently outpace the lifespan of the underlying hardware, introducing a high risk of premature infrastructure obsolescence. Relying on aging proprietary cloud infrastructure can limit your future agility when newer, efficient computing methods emerge. Enterprise leaders must weigh the competitive advantage of massive deployment against the risk of tying capital to hardware that may quickly become outdated. This timeline chart shows a sudden surge in open-weight models serving as an alternative to proprietary clouds. One recent report tracked 9 distinct open-source AI model launches in a 12-day window. For developers, the input involves running these open-weight models locally rather than paying for recurring API access. This method provides total control over enterprise data privacy and allows for deep model customization. The trade-off shifts to human capital. Deploying and maintaining local models requires hiring and retaining highly specialized in-house engineering talent. Proprietary solutions often hide technical complexity that open-source teams must manage and troubleshoot manually. Open-source models provide a path away from vendor lock-in for organizations with the financial capacity to fund their own engineering teams. Increasing AI capabilities are creating new security vulnerabilities, as seen in the recent security incident involving OpenAI and Hugging Face. To automate complex workflows, IT security teams are increasingly asked to grant AI agents deep system permissions. This level of access can result in massive leaps in operational efficiency that go beyond human manual capacity. This logic diagram illustrates enterprise sandboxing, the mandatory containment strategy used to monitor powerful AI systems and limit their reach. Granting agent permissions without strict, heavily funded sandboxing creates catastrophic attack vectors across an enterprise network. Standard monitoring tools are often insufficient for tracking the autonomous behaviors of these agents in real time. The high ROI of autonomous agents disappears if unsandboxed permissions compromise the security of the broader organization. We are also seeing significant changes in how professionals and small businesses adopt these tools. Usage is shifting away from simple chatbots toward more capable AI-assisted productivity tools integrated into daily work. OpenAI recently expanded a program specifically to help smaller companies adopt ChatGPT more effectively. The input for SMB owners is straightforward, subscribing directly to OpenAI's fully managed, closed ecosystem. This provides immediate access to enterprise-grade AI tools with almost no technical friction. The trade-off is total operational dependency on a single vendor's pricing and product roadmap. For many SMBs, the speed and productivity gains of this approach outweigh the loss of long-term operational independence. This quadrant chart maps these 5 updates against your company's tolerance for technical effort and security risk. Small business owners fit the low-effort, low-risk quadrant. Using managed workplace tools provides immediate ROI without needing an internal IT department. Enterprise IT occupies the high-effort, high-risk quadrant, where custom infrastructure investments scale across thousands of users but require significant capital. Developers map to high effort and low risk. Running open source models locally protects data privacy, but demands heavy engineering time. Closed ecosystems prioritize speed, while open ecosystems require heavy investment in exchange for long-term freedom. Looking at these different paths, I'm curious which of these 5 AI updates surprised you the most. Let me know in the comments. If this breakdown helped you evaluate your options, please like, share, and subscribe for our weekly technology updates.